If you also want to build your house, but you have not a lot of money, now you can build it by yourself with excellent characteristics and saving up to 60%. Be quiet, it doesn't mean you need special equipment or specialized knowledge or skills. First, let me explain what is this method, then I will show you. You will use materials found all over the world: sand, gravel, cement, thermal insulating, iron for reinforced concrete. The elements of the house are made of reinforced concrete with 2 layers, one towards the material that can be nylon or paper to separate the soil from the first layer of the inner wall. In this case, to avoid doing an internal plaster, we thought of using these sheets of drywall that will be placed one after the other to cover the entire inner surface. We put around a metal cage. On the first floor, we put the flexible electrical system in order to put plugs where we want. We prepare the window holes that can be made with a polystyrene block or with a wooden formwork. Let's pay attention to isolate thermal bridges around the windows. We put the metal reinforcement that will connect the 2 layers of concrete and the wall etching system. We prepare the concrete. Let's throw a layer of 10 centimeters. This layer is an inner mass which serves to mitigate the temperature excursion during the day. We insert the insulation and welded mesh and do the second jet. We spread the concrete with a bar. We smooth the outer surface of the building. The walls must be made one above the other. Let's now turn to the phase of assembly of the building that must be made with a crane. We put the first wall and we connect the implants. Let's go to the second. And to the third. We lay the first part of the floor that is self-supporting. The first part of the scale which is formed from an initial landing and ramps. The second part of the floor. The second part of the scale. The first wall of the upper floor. The second floor of the upper wall, which is 8 meters long in this case. The third wall of the upper floor. The roof beam. The coverage in this case was divided into 7 panels. The outer part of the finished building. An interior room. Now, I will share several advantages and opportunities that you can get with this construction system. From the architectural point of view, This system offers exciting opportunities. You can build any flat form obtaining unique architectural effects. You can design and create windows with any form. You can place on the outside wall cornices, friezes, balconies, etc. You can get special finishes or you can paste tiles. With this constructed system, the house is comfortable and energy saving. The outer walls have mass which mitigates the temperature between day and night. The mass of concrete provides excellent sound insulation. Inside the walls you can insert any thermal insulation thickness. The wall with the 2 layers of concrete resists to fire. You can easily isolate the thermal bridges so that the house is healthy and no mold. From the static point of view, this system allows to realize a solid and durable construction. It resists the earthquake. The mass and the connection of the old sides make the building resistant to hurricane. The external part of the walls is formed by a 6 cm layer of reinforced concrete and can withstand shocks or burglary actions. Unlike prefabricated buildings, this system provides a continuous connection type. The concrete does not pass the rising damp and requires low maintenance. This system allows to realize functional constructions, environmentally friendly and with excellent installations. The inner walls are generally non-load bearing and therefore can be modified to change the spaces to meet new needs. The concrete construction employs material that require less energy to be produced. In this way, it respects the environment. The heating is on the wall. The electrical system can be home automated. The construction of a house with this system has interesting features. It can be built faster than the traditional system. The building parts are easier to be realized. The final cost is lower. If you decide to build your house, do not be afraid. Search and deepen the topic. Send us an email. We'll help you and we will follow you in all phases. If this video interests you, put I like it and share it so that your friends can benefit.